In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can install missing DLL on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So try a restart first. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So try restarting your Windows first. Next method is you can perform the system file checker scan to scan for and fix any system corrupted files. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. In the elevated command prompt, type sfc space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. So simply wait for this process to be done, and once this is completed, just simply type exit in the command prompt window and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then you can also try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. Simply locate the application that is giving you the DLL error. Click on the three dots and select an install option and simply reinstall it into your Windows. If all else fails, you can perform a system restore. So go to the Windows search bar and type RSTRUI. Click on it under the best match. Click on choose a different restore point, click on next, and simply choose the time and date as to where you're not facing the error. Okay, you can check that from here. Choose the time and date as to when you're not facing the error, click on next, and click on finish, and simply wait for the process to be done. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.